Recording.
Hello, quarantine people. Hello.
Alright, thank you. That's our Sawyer and Jimmy show. Here we go for today. You never know what you're going to get. Always be something new. Yesterday was Libby, and who knows who it'll be tomorrow. Anyways, okay, so today is Thursday, March 18th, and we're going to learn about inequalities. And these guys might ask questions too while we're working. First of all, inequality means they're not equal. And if they're not equal, that means it's either going to be a less than or a greater than sign. Alright, so we're going to do bubble equations. Go ahead and copy that down, Liv.
I do have it copied down.
Alright, so we're going to write down 2x plus 1 is less than 15. Now, I just made that up. It's called inequality because it has a what in it?
Because it has a sign.
It has a less than sign.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do it like a regular bubble problem. I'm going to teeter-totter across here. I'm going to get rid of the plus 1 by going minus 1 and minus 1. So then I get that 2x is less than 14. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And we get x is less than 7. Now, after you're done with that, then you take your ruler. So all of you at home, you need to get a ruler. You can pause the video and go run and get a ruler. It's a great thing about videos. You can just pause them. Okay, and you need to make a number line like this. Alright, and then what I want is, I want to always have 3 numbers on it. So in this case, I would want 6, 7, and then 8. Try to make them fairly equal apart. Mine's a little bit off on that one. Alright, now if it's less than 7, and that means it does not include 7. So what you do is you go to 7 and you make an open circle around the 7 because it doesn't count. Now where are the numbers at that are less than 7? Are they to the left?
Yes.
Or are they to the right?
They're to the left.
You guys agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that we need to take right here and to color this in. And you also need to color the arrow in too. All the way down like that. That's the final answer. So when you do have inequalities, how many different answers are there? Andrea, take better notes than you've taken. How many different ones are there?
Well, for this one, there's 6, right?
1.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How far does it keep going?
Oh, so it's infinity.
How many numbers are less than 7?
Oh, everything that's less than 7.
Half of infinity. The other half doesn't work. True?
But
So it's just half of infinity. The other half does not work, but half of infinity does.
confusing.
Okay, so here's number 1. Okay, let's go to number 2. Let's go a little different problem. Let's say they gave you x minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 10. Alright, so guys, go ahead and solve that for x. Get the x by itself.
It's greater than what? Why is there that line under the
That means greater than or equal.
Oh, so it's either.
Either one. So I'm going to add 3 and add 3. And I get x is greater than or equal to negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. That just happens to come out the same. There'll be other answers besides 7. I'm going to take my ruler and make my number line. When you're working in your homework, you guys at home too, use a ruler to make your number line. Let me see some scribble going across your paper. You got that, Andrea?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Use a ruler.
Negative 8, negative 7, and negative 6. Okay. This time it's not just greater, it's greater than or equal, isn't it?
It's greater. No.
Is negative 7 greater than or equal to negative 7?
Yeah.
So this time, guess what? I'm gonna draw an open circle here. But once I see that it's equal here, I'm gonna color it in.
Oh.
So color in that. That's the difference on that because that works. So make sure you take good notes on that. Jimmy, go. Get that copy down.
I have it all copied down.
Then do
Okay.
a
I
circle
still
that-
don't
Now,
understand.
x is greater than or equal to negative 7. Which way are we gonna go? Shading. To the right or to the left?
Left.
To the right. Things bigger than negative 7.
Oh, that's
to
what I
the
meant.
Right. Okay.
Left, right.
So
They're
now I'm
hard.
going to shade in right here, and I'm going to shade in my arrow, like that. And that's the idea for what you're doing today. And I got to end my video because it takes too long to upload them. So all you guys, Sam, Saeed, and Logan. Thank you. All right.
Forgot about Logan.
I wanted to see if Libby knew. I was waiting for it. All right, you guys all say bye.
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 Hi.